that it?
That's it.
What are we doing?
Making camp. Too late to catch up to the herd before dark. Catch up tomorrow.
You mean we're gonna sleep out here? Just,
That's right.
Oh, God. It's deliverance. Getting ready to shave?
You make a lot of smart remarks at my expense, don't you?
I'm joking. I do with everybody. It's just my way.
I don't understand that way. Put that away. I said, put that away.
Hey, you know, the first time I tried to talk to you, you embarrassed me. So I teased you a little bit, which maybe I shouldn't have done. So I'm sorry. But now you're sitting over there playing with your knife, trying to frighten me. But you're doing a good job. But if you're gonna kill me, get on with it. If not, shut the hell up. I'm on vacation.
See them tumbling down, pledging their love to the ground. Lonely but free I'll be found, drifting along with the tumbling tumbleweeds. Cares of the past are behind, no way to go but I'll find just where the trail will wind, drifting along with the tumbling tumbleweeds.
You know any show tunes?